Egypt, Egypt is so far away from me, so far, so far. But Egypt's in my heart. Again I want to see. I met Jehuti when I was doing a widow's duty, and we went to the house of a tree. I walked the path of Omseti. I felt her presence gently get me. She was meeting the Pharaoh Seti. Egypt, Egypt is so far away from me, so far, so far. But Egypt's in my heart. Again I want to see. He took us deep underground. He said of the many things he had found, so many mysteries that abound. He said how he built on the site of an older temple, not knowing that